let's jump into it. I have a few data points to share with you guys. So first and foremost, in India, if you're a BCom, with CMA. Remember, if you give CMA when you're in college, don't expect much, but please do start working. It is worth the grind. And then after that, you've got to have 2 years of experience and graduation before you become a CMA license holder. So all this is post-license, right? So in India, you can start anywhere between 6 to 9 lakhs depending on which kind of company and what kind of profile. Over and above that, when you combine it maybe with a CA or a CFA or sometimes an ACCA, it can go between 12 to 15 lakhs. Now, what is it that you can earn if you are in the US? Well, according to IMA is the body that hosts the CMA exam, the global body that creates these exams. They are the one, the global salary survey says that the base salary, median salary in US is $124,000. That's more than sometimes what I've seen chartered accountants earn. 124,000 is almost 1.2 CR in rupee terms basis. The forex rate, not something to really jump onto, but it is important to know that $124,000 is a really decent salary to earn in the first few years of your career. When you combine it with bonuses, it goes up to $139,000, so almost 1.3, 1.4 CR in Indian terms. Right? Entry to mid-level, it's saying it base is around 91,000. So you can start with maybe $60,000, $80,000 and then climb your way up. If you're a senior executive, it can go up to close to $150,000. So that's another super 1.5 CR almost. And there is a website, pay scale, that shows individual employer average ranges from $63,000 to $150,000. Once again, we'll leave the link below if it's helpful. Over and above that, guys, global mobility earnings. CMA, it's a global qualification based out of the US. So over here, you can also earn in UAE and Gulf region. So you have your Dubai, Qatar, Oman, etc. You also can reach up to CFO or finance director levels. Finally, there is another aspect to hiring CMA. So in India, there are something called the GCCs, Global Capability Centers. I've spoken about this in some other videos. So let's say EY or Deloitte, these kind of giant companies, they have a lot of clients in the US, for example, but it's very expensive to have a lot of accountants in the US. So they outsource their accounting to India, and in India, EY, Deloitte, KPMG, they hire accountants in bulk, pay them extremely well, and as accountants, we do work for US clients. All of this is what we call GCCs, and CMA US are hired by GCCs a lot.